Welcome to Cardinal Home Care, your trusted partner for exceptional home care in Leesburg, Virginia. At Cardinal Home Care, we understand that each individual has unique needs and deserves personalized attention. Our range of services is designed to provide the best in-home care in Leesburg, ensuring your loved ones receive the care they need in the comfort of their own homes. Our team specializes in senior home care in Leesburg, offering compassionate and professional assistance tailored to each client's needs. Whether it's Alzheimer's disease care in Leesburg or 24-hour home care in Leesburg, we are dedicated to supporting your family every step of the way. Cardinal Home Care provides companion care at home in Leesburg, helping to alleviate loneliness and improve the quality of life for your loved ones. Our caregivers are carefully selected and trained to offer the highest level of personal home care in Leesburg, ensuring safety and comfort at all times. We also offer specialized post-hospital care at home in Leesburg, aiding in recovery and reducing the risk of readmission. Our experienced team works closely with healthcare providers to create a seamless transition from hospital to home, promoting faster and more effective healing. Choose Cardinal Home Care for reliable and compassionate home care in Leesburg, Virginia. Let us be your partner in providing the best care for your loved ones right in the comfort of your home. Reach out today to learn more about how we can assist you and your family.